mga moms, we have a hot topic today because the issue is very much common. It's common at home and it's about favoritism. I'm sure meron ng mga tinamaan dyan na moms or nag-iisip on what they can do about this. Well, our guest for today is no stranger to our show. She's a mom, wife, relationship expert, Michelle Alignay. Welcome back to our show! Second time na namin with you. And hot na naman ang topic na pag-uusapan natin. Pero before that, no, i-acknowledge lang din natin ang isa pa nating guest, host.
Ay, dito pala dito.
Na-rename na to, Daddy Manual na to.
Ay, yes, Daddy.
Kayo ang guests ko.
Thank you for watching Daddy Manual. Dog is also with us and I think it's perfect because you have 3 kids. I only have 1. So I can
May
say that I have
ka.
a favorite.
You have a
diba?
favorite.
Walang ma-offend. So Michelle, sige, unahin na muna natin, no? Alam natin yung favoritism, pero ano ba yung mga parang obvious na bad effects nito when you actually practice that at home?
It has effects for both the favorite and the, let's call it, the non-favorites.
Okay.
For the favorite, the child grew up with a sense of entitlement. He feels that I can get away with everything because I'm the favorite. I'm the favored
Correct.
one.
Okay.
So, what's the downside of that is that if he has more than 2 or 3 brothers or siblings, they kind of gang up on the favorite child. So sila mismo, lumalayo yung relasyon.
So there's a rift. It's so funny. It reminds me of a story in the Bible. Di ba Joseph?
Yes.
And his
Exactly.
mga kapatid niya.
They ganged up on
Nasa
him.
series kasi talagang siya yung paborito, di ba? Perfect example yun ng favoritism.
Because of course, the parents would not side with the other kids. They will really be allies for each other compared to the favored one. The favored one, I am entitled. I have my parents to back me up. But on the other hand, he's not building the relationship with the other siblings.
That's a good way to look at it, no? Kasi usually pag nakita natin na favorite, parang favored lang. Pero hindi natin nakikita na it actually causes a rift between brothers and sisters, di
Oo
ba?
nga. Parang si Joseph
May point
nga,
yan.
na
Yes.
ikaw, you actually suffer the consequences. Hindi favorite ka nga ng parents mo, pero nagsasuffer ka
Nakuha
from
mo yung
others.
attention ng
If I might
parents.
add up, in that story of Joseph, it was a preferred gift that was given to him by the father. And you know what, if you're gonna put it in that definition, I think for us as parents, kami ni Cheska, we're very fair. You know, kahit na birthday ni Kendra, we have to make sure na may special moments si Scarlett and si Gavin.
Nice.
Yeah, and you know what, I know that Scarlett would have felt really bad if I didn't give flowers to her. So during the birthday of Kendra, sinalubong namin, I gave her flowers. Si Kendra muna. Si Scarlett
She hugged
nag-whisper kay Chex.
And she was about to cry.
She
She
was
goes,
about to cry.
you know what, Mama? Papa did not remember me.
Oh. But the flowers are at my back.
Yes.
So after I gave the moment first to Kendra, now I go, Scarlett, I have flowers for you. And then her face lit up.
You know, that's nice also kasi I think it comes with a good knowledge of who your kids are. Because some naman won't take offense. Parang sa kanila, what is a flower? But I guess sila kasi kilalang-kilala nila yung mga anak nila.
And that's the key. Naput agad na tayo sa key, di ba? The downside, it's settled. It has not too good effect, both for the self-esteem and you know the sense of security and affection of both the favorite and the, let's say, unfavored. Pero looking at that, one important key there is that parents need to get to know their children. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 only, you have 3, and you have 1. Madali yung 1, yung 2 is a challenge, but 3, they have distinct personalities.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
when we accept the fact that kids are special, kids are different,
On
they
their own,
cannot be compared with one
another.
another.
Yes.
That's the framework that we're working on. You'll see, how can you have a favorite? One is unique, one is special, and one is entirely different on its own.
Actually, tatanungin ko pa yan later. No? Sige, Dog.
All of our kids, like as you said, they're all very different. But they also have similarities. So those differences, we put it like Kendra, for example. We know Kendra so much that she loves affection so much. She loves
for time.
Oo, she loves that time. Parang si Cheska yan eh. And si Scarlett naman, she loves to play kasi dalawa sila pikon pag naglalaro. Pero si Scarlett, least pikon. Oo, so you can see already their differences. Si Gavin, my special moment with Gavin is when I wrestle with him. Kaya it's very Carino brutal. I won't do that to Kendra and Scarlett the way I wrestle with Gavin. Si Kendra loves to watch movies. I watch more movies with her. But it won't remove the fact that I will invite all of them.